Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Brain Ananta project which is located in Kanakpura main road in Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And now about the land parcel. So the land parcel of Brain Ananta project is just 200 meters away from the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 3.2 acres of land parcel with 2 premium towers. So this is a tower of basement ground plus 24 floors, another tower of basement ground plus 18 floors. And in this project you'll be getting purely 3 BHK residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located on Kanakpura main road in Bangalore. So now let me show you the Kanakpura main road. So this is the Kanakpura main road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Nice Ring Road, and on the opposite side will connect you towards Kanakpura. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living Ashram in 1.4 kilometers. Kaggalipura Lake is 2.6 kilometers away from the project, and even you can connect to D-Mart within 8 kilometers of the project. And now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of here this site is the multi-purpose court, the garden area, walking track, clubhouse, the spacious grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like gymnasium, yoga deck and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, and this project consists of 3 BHK purely premium residencies, and your 3 BHK starting from 1588 square feet to 1668 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Brain Ananta, which is located in Kanakpura main road in Bangalore. Project developed by Brain Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.